Hey guys, and welcome back to Maverick Mindset. In today's video, we're going to delve into the world of psychology and explore 10 proven ways to make a girl attracted to you. So, if you've been wondering how to get her to like you, this video is definitely for you. But before we dive in, I want to emphasize that these tricks are ethical and not manipulative. Instead, they are designed to subconsciously attract a girl and make her want to be around you more. So, let's get started. Picture this. You come across an advertisement for an amazing new book that promises to reveal secret life formulas to become rich, happy, and successful. The marketing is perfect, but when you open the book, all it says is that life is short and you should buy more books for better advice. Well, when it comes to getting a girl to like you, having a boring life is like that disappointing book. You need to have your own life, an interesting and fulfilling one, before you can expect her to be attracted to you. So, how do you make your own life interesting? Well, for starters, develop an interesting hobby or passion. This not only adds value to your life, but it also makes you more intriguing and attractive to girls. Whether it's programming, motorcycling, cooking, or playing an instrument, find something you're truly passionate about and invest time into it. Bonus points. If your hobby reflects the Maverick mindset mentality of independent thinking and pursuing your own path. 1. Have your own life. The first psychological trick to make a girl attracted to you is to have your own life. This creates a strong foundation for a great relationship and makes you more appealing to her. Imagine having an amazing life filled with exciting experiences and adventures. When you say, "Hey girl, I really like having you around. You want to stick around?" That's all it takes. So, make your personal life interesting, and the girls will flock to you. 2. Develop an interesting hobby or passion. Another psychological trick is to have an interesting hobby or passion. This not only makes you more interesting, but also adds value to your life. Find something you're truly passionate about and make it a part of your daily routine. When a girl sees a guy with an intense passion for something, be it programming, motorcycling, cooking, or any other interest, it becomes infinitely sexy and desirable. Remember to put in the time and effort to genuinely pursue your hobbies and passions. Now that we've covered the importance of having your own life and developing an interesting hobby, it's time to dive deeper into the psychological tricks that will make a girl attracted to you. Are you ready? Then let's move on to the next point. 3. Maintain great hygiene. One of the simplest, yet most effective ways to attract a girl is by having great hygiene. So, guys, here's the #1 tip. Smell good. Take a shower, apply deodorant, and wear clean clothes. You don't need to douse yourself in cologne, but a subtle fragrance can add to your overall appeal. Remember, smelling presentable is a must if you want to make a lasting impression on her. 4. Ask her to do things for you. Now, let's discuss a slightly controversial but effective psychological trick called the Benjamin Franklin effect. According to this principle, if you ask a girl to do something for you, she subconsciously starts to like you a bit more. When we do something for someone, our brain assumes that we must like them. So, go ahead and ask her for small favors like picking up a pencil or running errands. But remember, don't overdo it to avoid appearing manipulative. All right, we've covered 2 important psychological tricks that can make a girl attracted to you. Let's move on to the next point, where we'll delve into another effective strategy to win her over. 5. Make her laugh. Laughter is a powerful tool when it comes to building attraction. Now, you might think you're not funny, but trust me, everyone can be funny if they try. Put yourself in situations where you can practice telling jokes and making people laugh. Making a girl laugh not only showcases your intellectual strength, but also raises your social status in her eyes. Pay attention to her reactions when she laughs, as it can be a subtle sign of her interest in you. 6. Be her friend. There's a fine line between being just a friend and being stuck in the friend zone. However, being her friend can actually work in your favor. Go the extra mile and do things that make her smile. Leave little notes, send good morning texts, and be someone she can rely on. By being there for her and demonstrating genuine care and friendship, you're already halfway to dating her. Just remember to express your romantic interest when the time is right. Moving forward, let's explore more psychological tricks that will help you make a girl attracted to you. These tricks are designed to create a deeper connection and spark her interest. 7. Break the touch barrier. Physical touch is an essential aspect of building attraction. Find opportunities to touch her in a non-sexual way, such as lightly touching her shoulder or playing games that involve physical contact. This shows that you're comfortable being close to her and can elicit a positive reaction. However, always be mindful of her comfort level and boundaries. 8. Reveal in secret. Secret sharing is a powerful way to build trust and deep connection. By revealing something personal about yourself, especially something not known by many people, you show that you trust her. This will encourage her to reciprocate and share her own secrets, further strengthening the bond between you. 9. Give her your undivided attention. In a world full of distractions, giving someone your undivided attention is a valuable gift. When a girl feels seen and heard by you, she will start to appreciate your presence and enjoy being around you. Make an effort to listen to her, maintain eye contact, and remember the details she shares. This level of attentiveness will make her feel special and deepen her connection with you. 10. Boost your confidence. Confidence is key when it comes to attracting a girl. Building your confidence starts with being self-aware and working on your insecurities. Engage in activities that make you feel more secure and improve your self-esteem. Regular exercise is highly recommended as it not only benefits your physical health, but also boosts your confidence. As we say at Maverick Mindset, when you feel good about yourself, others will be drawn to your positive energy. And there you have it. 10 psychological tricks to make a girl attracted to you. Remember, these tricks are ethical and designed to create a genuine connection. By having your own life, developing interesting hobbies, maintaining great hygiene, making her laugh, being her friend, breaking the touch barrier, sharing secrets, giving her your attention, and boosting your confidence, you'll greatly increase your chances of winning her heart. So, go ahead and apply these actionable steps to improve yourself and attract the girl you desire. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Maverick Mindset for more psychologically thrilling content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care and be confident.